it's your girl Courtney Marie, and today I am doing an eyebrow tutorial. If you want to see how I achieve these natural looking brows, keep watching. So I'm using my Too Faced pomade and a pencil in the shade Espresso. I'm taking the spoolie end of my pencil to comb my hairs through in the direction that I want them to be in. Next, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Freeze Gel to lay my hairs down. I know some people use the Got2b, some people use glue, some people even use the edge control. Use whatever you want to lay those hairs down. However, I prefer to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It works very well for me and my hairs stay laid all day. So I am simply laying those hairs down in the direction that I want it to be in. Is upward and more towards the side of my head. Now I am outlining the bottom of my eyebrow. If you notice, I started at the center and not at the very beginning of my eyebrow, just to achieve that more natural look. Next, I am going to make light strokes just to fill in any spots to make sure that my eyebrow look more thick and more full. You do not want to make dark strokes because then it will not look as natural as possible. After you made your light strokes, you're going to outline the top of your eyebrow and it should come together like this. Now I am doing the same thing to my other eyebrow. I'm going to outline the bottom, make light strokes or fill in my eyebrow, and then outline the top to connect everything together. Now on to my favorite part, we're going to line up our eyebrows. So I'm using my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade 5, or you can use any type of concealer. It is a lighter color if you're doing a full face. It is okay to use a lighter color on the bottom. However, if you're just doing your eyebrows and leaving, then I do recommend that you use a shade that's more close to your skin tone. So I am taking my flat brush and I am simply lining up the bottom of my eyebrow, making it more sharp, making it more clean. Let's say on the last step, the line you drew at the bottom of your eyebrow wasn't as cute or straight enough. This is the part where you can fix it. If you feel in your eyebrows a little too much and it's more on a thicker side, this is the part where you can fix it as well. To outline the top of my eyebrow, I am using my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade 6. It is a more darker color. And I'm simply going to do the same thing that I did on the bottom. I'm going to line it up and clean it up. An important thing to remember when you're carving out your eyebrows, you do want them to match. You don't want one that's thicker than the other or one that's thinner than the other. You want them to match as close as possible. Now I am blending everything out with my Morphe M173 brush. This is an important step if you're only just doing your eyebrows. You want to make sure that you blend everything out. Next, to set my eyebrows, I'm using my NYX eyebrow mascara and I am going to basically comb my hairs through. This is more so to define those hairs and make it look more natural. And it's also going to set my eyebrows as well. And we're all done. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you guys enjoyed it.
I would like to get